If your dryer is running but not heating, it's likely due to either soaking wet clothes or a faulty heating element. To address the issue of wet clothes, stop the current cycle and remove the soaked items. Put them through a spin cycle in your washer to remove excess water, or run a drain and spin cycle. It's also a good idea to wring out rags, towels, and bathing suits before loading them into the washer to prevent overloading the dryer. If the problem lies with the heating element, replacement is necessary. Start by unplugging the dryer and removing the rear panel. Then, disconnect the thermostat and wires connected to the heating element, and slide out the old part. Next, align the replacement heating element. Reconnect the wires and thermostat, and secure it with mounting screws. Finally, reattach the rear panel and restore power to the dryer. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your dryer heating again.